Welcome to Mosquito Mechanics. Each board has a mosquito in the middle of the board and 4 squares with arrows pointing to the structure or body part. Your goal is to be the first person to fill up your board squares with the matching mosquito structure. To begin, each player selects a board. Place the Mosquito Mechanics cards face down in a pile. The player with the number 1 in the top corner goes first. The first player picks a card. Read the words on the card and see if they match the words on your board. If they do, place it on the matching square on your board. Then the next player picks a card and tries to match their squares with the card they selected. Keep going until someone fills all 4 squares. If the card does not match any of your squares, place the card at the bottom of the pile. Player 2 filled their board. Player 2 wins.